Well, you can very much use ChatGPT to convert images into a different format. For example, these images are originally in the WebP format, but then I turned them into the JPEG format with the help of ChatGPT. And the best part is that AI is able to choose the best conversion settings, and hopefully you will get a picture that is very much identical even though it is now in a different format. So let me show you how you can quickly use ChatGPT to convert images into any new format. It could be JPEG, PNG, GIF, WebP, etc. So let's get into it. First, let's open ChatGPT, and here I'm just using the desktop web version of ChatGPT. And after that, you can start uploading the images right away. I'm going to just drag and drop images into this area. So I have 3 images that I actually created using Gemini. So these images are just really big. The original format is PNG, and I want to have something that is a lot more efficient and compact, and yet still maintain the overall quality and details from the original picture. Now, before we continue about the prompt, I highly recommend to double check the code interpreter setting in your ChatGPT account. To check that, you can open the settings, and then you can navigate to personalization. Let's scroll down a bit, open advanced, and make sure that the code feature is enabled. So this is one crucial feature that will ensure that we can run some commands in ChatGPT, which in this case can be used to convert images into a new format. So after that, you can close this, and this is the prompt that you can use to convert images into a different format using ChatGPT. You can find this full prompt in the description down below. Just copy the prompt, and let's go back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to paste that right here. Okay, so of course you have to specify the target image format. Again, it could be JPEG, GIF, and maybe even PDF if you want to, but in this case I'm going to be using the WebP format. So that is a quite ubiquitous format recently, and I think it's quite efficient. And also a few other things that you need to know is that AI will try to apply the best settings based on the format that you selected. And also, if you upload more than 3 images, then AI will pack those images, the new images, together into one zip file, so you don't have to download them manually. But in this case, I only have 3 images, so I should be able to get 3 download links for each image. Now you can send the message and just wait for ChatGPT to turn those images into a new format. And I guess I'll just skip forward and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so this is the result. You'll get a response that look like this. There's going to be a download link or multiple download links, and also you'll get the details about the settings that used by ChatGPT to convert the images into a new format. So I highly recommend to just download the files immediately, because the files that were generated by the code interpreter feature in ChatGPT won't last forever. It won't only last for one session, which means if you refresh this page, if you go back, close the app and then open it again, there is a good chance these images are actually no longer available in the server, so you cannot get them. So basically, as soon as AI has give you the response, just download the images right away. Now I got those images, and I guess I'll just compare them with the original images, and let's see how close they are. Okay, this is the second, and this is the last picture. There you go. Now, I think from my computer, I can tell that the new image, the WebP format, is only about 1 megabyte. So it's from 8 megabyte to just 1 megabyte, which is just crazy. And as you can see, it looks very much identical. I couldn't tell the difference. Maybe I have to zoom in very closely, but from what I can tell, it looks very much the same. So that's the power of using AI to convert images into a new format, because it can analyze the visual or the picture, and it can choose the best setting based on the images and also based on the settings or based on the format that you selected. So yeah, that's how you can easily use ChatGPT to convert images into a different format. And I guess you can use the same prompt to actually create a project in ChatGPT, so you don't have to copy and paste the prompt again and again to convert multiple images in different sessions. You can create a new project and then use this prompt as the default instruction. But yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.